let's break down how one guy became the undisputed king of TikTok. He has a mind-blowing 162 million followers. That's more than anyone on the planet. And get this, he's built a net worth of over $20 million.
The craziest part, he did all of this without ever saying a single word.
Now, this wasn't some lucky break. It's a pattern, a genius formula that totally works. So let's rewind to March 2020. Khaby was just a 20-year-old factory worker in Italy. Then the pandemic hit. The world shut down. And just like that, he was laid off. No job, no income, just stuck at home. So what did he do? He downloaded TikTok. And his growth was just insane. 0 to 10 million followers in only 9 months. He developed this simple, repeatable format. This became his absolute secret weapon. His videos basically said what we were all thinking. Why make things so complicated? And here's why it went viral. Silence is a universal language. Anyone, anywhere gets the joke. Plus, the TikTok algorithm absolutely loved it. The videos were so short, everyone watched till the end. So by June 2022, he did it. He officially became the most followed person on TikTok. So, the fame is one thing, but the money? He's making up to $750,000 per post. He built a full-on business empire with huge deals from Xbox, Netflix, and Hugo Boss. I mean, look at this transformation, from a factory worker to a multi-million-dollar global brand. What's wild is that even with all the success, his simple strategy has not changed at all. So here's the big lesson. While everyone else was doing more, Khaby won by doing less. So how can you do this? Strategy 1. Simplify everything. Find the simplest version of your idea. Strategy 2. Find your unique angle. His limitation, his silence, became his superpower. Strategy 3. Be relentlessly consistent. The algorithm rewards you when you stick to one format. And 4. Think universal. Can someone in another country understand your content instantly? It all comes down to this. Design your content for the algorithm. Keep it short and shareable. Khaby proved simplicity wins. So I'll leave you with this question. What's your simple idea?
Like and subscribe.